Should I buy or sell QQQ? The report for QQQ was first published on our website Friday, December 16, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since December 16, 2022, our system ranks QQQ as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.594. In the period the stock had natural movements but currently sit with a loss of 0% since we first recommended hold/accumulate. In our daily updates for QQQ, our last headline reads, QQQ ETF upgraded from sell candidate to hold/accumulate after Friday trading session. The QQQ ETF price fell by -0.94% on the last day, Friday, December 16, 2022, from $277.24 to $274.63. It has now fallen 4 days in a row. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 1.89% from a day low at $272.61 to a day high of $277.77. The price has fallen in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by -6.1% for this period. Volume has increased on the last day by 1 million shares but on falling prices. This may be an early warning and the risk will be increased slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 49 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $13.55 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $404.58, and the lowest price was $254.26. Right now the price is 32.12%, or $129.95, below 52-week high, and 32.81%, or $134.08, below all-time high November 22, 2021, where the price hit $408.71. The ETF lies in the middle of a wide and weak rising trend in the short term, and a further rise within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 4.06% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 0.787% and 12.1%. The 12-month trend indicates a -26.41% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between -33.63% and -19.94%. This equals a price between $182.28 and $219.87 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. The following signals have been found for QQQ. There are few to no technical positive signals at the moment. The QQQ ETF holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. On corrections up, there will be some resistance from the lines at $282.95 and $281.05. A breakup above any of these levels will issue buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, December 1, 2022, and so far it has fallen -6.53%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This may be an early warning and the ETF should be followed more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 12 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 25 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 11 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 72 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for QQQ. QQQ finds support from accumulated volume at $271.87, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. In general, the ETF tends to have very controlled movements, and with good liquidity the risk is considered very low in this stock. During the last day, the ETF moved $5.16 between high and low, or 1.89%. For the last week the ETF has had daily average volatility of 2.53%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for QQQ. The price-to-earnings ratio, PE ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. QQQ currently has a price-earning ratio of 3.71. This is a relatively low price-to-earnings ratio and either signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued and could indicate a buying opportunity. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, QQQ meets first resistance at $279.94. If you do not hold QQQ shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, QQQ finds first level of support at $271.87, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. Our recommended stop loss is $262.78, minus 4.32%. This ETF has low daily movements, and this gives low risk. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 11 days ago. Is QQQ ETF a buy? QQQ holds several negative signals, and this should be a sell candidate, but due to the general chance for a turnaround situation it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF since the last evaluation from a sell to a hold/accumulate candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Monday 19th, we expect QQQ to open up $0.373 and start trading at $275. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the ETF? Remember